Okay, guys, so here's some advice for you when dealing with bonding slash melting and boiling point questions. So the first thing you want to do is be able to identify the type of bonding in the substances you're comparing, or indeed just the substance you're trying to predict the melting and boiling point for. So obviously your options are metallic, ionic, giant covalent, or simple covalent. Okay. Now remember, half the battle and half the marks are attributed to actually just stating what type of bonding is in each substance and describing the bonding in each substance. And when it comes to melting and boiling points, it's all about the strength of attractions within that substance or indeed between molecules. So your first port of call, it's got to be one of these. If you do end up with simple covalent molecules, you need to go to the next phase, which is this. So if they're simple covalent, essentially you've got these to choose from: hydrogen bonding, permanent dipole, and induced dipole. Now, of course, this is an order of strength, but be wary. Induced dipole forces are variable. So the bigger the molecule, i.e. the more electrons that molecule has, the stronger the induced dipole. So for example, Cl2, nonpolar induced dipole, has a higher melting and boiling point than HCl, which is permanent dipole. That's because Cl2 contains loads more electrons, so the induced dipole forces are actually stronger than those permanent dipole forces. But essentially, follow this route. Identify these. If they're simple covalent, then start talking about these intermolecular forces, and you can compare those.